The cost of fish farming is expected to reduce with the operationalization of the new fish feeds line under the Tunga Nutrition Limited, with a capacity to produce 25,000 metric tons of feed per year. Blue Economy and Fisheries Cabinet Secretary has lauded the move, saying it will go a long way in reducing the cost of fish feed by up to 15% and reduce order delivery turnaround time from 45 days to 24 hours, implying farmers would not need to tie cash on feed stocks.
Despite being of high nutritional value, fish farming is a capital-intensive venture owing to, among others, the high cost of fish feeds. Statistics from the Electronic Fish Market Information System indicates that Kenya still imports close to all of its protein feed inputs, including soya beans, mainly from neighboring countries, Uganda and Tanzania.
Now, when we realized that the fish market was ready for fish feeds, we then decided that they should go ahead and set up a plant. The plant was started in 2017, and they have rapidly ran out of capacity. So that shows you that the market is actually ready.
Operationalization of the new fish plant under Tunga Nutrition Limited, with a capacity to produce 25,000 metric tons of feed per year, is seen as a game changer in lowering the cost of feed and increasing access to markets.
So now we should be able to produce 25,000 metric tons of fish feed, and the equipment is running. It's been running for the last 5-6 weeks, and the feed has undergone testing both at the laboratory level but also with fish at farm level, and we've seen some really good responses.
Blue Economy and Fisheries Cabinet Secretary Salim Vuria further noted that the implementation of the import levy would stem unfair competition from cheap fish imports.
We have introduced an import levy so that then it becomes expensive to import fish in our country because we believe that we have capacity in the marine waters. We also have capacity in the inland waters. And I think it is important to assure the nation that going forward we want to explore our full potential in the marine waters and also in the inland waters.
Government of Kenya projects that the total aquaculture production will increase from the current 20,000 metric tons per year to over 100,000 metric tons in the medium term and to over 450,000 metric tons in the long term by 2030, with a proportionate market value.
And I think going forward we will have more interventions to make sure that fish eating culture in this country can change. Maybe going forward we will look at even school feeding programs coupled with fisheries so that we can improve the ratings that we have as a country.